The British Army has unveiled a new air defense system that can hit a tennis ball-sized object traveling at the speed of sound. The Ministry of Defense said the Sky Sabre technology would initially augment the 16th Regiment Royal Artillery's arsenal but would soon be kept by all three military branches, as well as NATO. The medium and short-range missile system is to replace the older Rapier system, which has been in the British Armed Forces' possession since the 1970s. The Rapier was used in Kuwait and the Falklands, and to protect the 2012 London Olympics from the ground. The £250 million, $331 million, Sky Sabre can fire 8 larger missiles in one shot compared to the previous model's 2 shots, and vastly increases its range from 8.2 kilometers to 25. The Advanced Detect and Destroy system is designed to neutralize the threat from Russian-made stealth fighters and other hypersonic missiles. It was introduced as tension escalates between Russia and the West over military buildup at the border with Ukraine. In fact, it can control the flight of 24 missiles simultaneously while in flight, guiding them to intercept 24 separate targets. Jeremy Quinn, the UK's Defence Procurement Minister, said, "Sky Sabre's spearheading technology has significantly upgraded the protection of our forces from threats from the air. This cutting-edge defense system is a clear demonstration of our warfighting capabilities to those who wish to do us harm."